Play a sonata. Understanding musical phrases in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, play a sonata. This is a common phrase in English, especially when discussing music. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of musical phrases, let's get started. First, let's understand what a sonata is. A sonata is a type of musical composition typically for a solo instrument, often a piano or violin. It's a classical music form that has been used by composers for centuries. Sonatas usually consist of several movements, each with its own mood and tempo. Now, let's break down the verb, play, in this context. To play an instrument means to perform music using that instrument. It involves not just technical skill but also artistic expression. When someone says they play a sonata, they are not just hitting notes. They're bringing a musical piece to life. Understanding the cultural background of sonatas is crucial. Sonatas have played a significant role in classical music history. They're often associated with great composers like Beethoven, Mozart, and Chopin. Knowing this adds depth to our understanding of the phrase. When can you use this phrase? If you're talking about musical performances, especially in a classical context, it's perfect. For example, I heard her play a sonata at the concert last night. It implies a certain level of skill and sophistication in music. A common mistake is confusing a sonata with other musical forms like a symphony or a concerto. Remember, a sonata is typically for a solo instrument, while symphonies and concertos are more elaborate and often involve an orchestra. I hope this video helps you understand what it means to play a sonata, and how you can use this phrase in your conversations about music. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about the culture and context behind them. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time. See you in the next video.